students, I am going to start lesson 6, our climate. What is climate? Climate is the average measurement of temperature, wind, humidity, snow and rain in a place over the course of years. Climate. The clothes we wear, the food we eat depends largely on the climate of place where we live. The food we eat, the clothes we wear, all depends on the climate of the particular place where we live. There is some difference between the weather and climate. Climate is different and weather is different. Weather, you know what is the weather? Weather is the day-to-day conditions of the year at a particular place. It can be described as sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy or foggy. Weather. Now outside we can see sunshine, but after the 15 minutes suddenly it will become dark and it will rain. So it is the weather. It changes from time to time. But climate remains for the long time. Climate is the pattern of weather conditions for long period of time. But weather is the day-to-day conditions of the air at a particular place. Temperature and rainfall are the two important elements that affect the climate. There are two elements, the temperature and rainfall, that affects the climate. Seasons in India. In India, temperature and rainfall are vary from place to place and seasons to season. It is not the same at the It is not the same. It is vary from the place to place and season to season. Some places are hot while others are cold. Some places get very heavy rainfall at the same time while other places do not get any rain for the years. At the same time, some places get floods while others are hit by droughts. Now seasons, there are three main seasons in India: winter, summer and monsoon. Now I am going to discuss about winter season. Winter. The winter season brings from the middle of November and continues till the end of February in India. The winter season in India, it starts in the middle of November and it continues till the end of February. December and January are very cold in most parts of India. We can feel in the month of December and January it is very cold in the most parts of India. In winter, nights are longer than the days. The coastal areas enjoy pleasant weather. In the winter season, the coastal areas enjoys pleasant weather. It is neither hot nor cold, but it is very cold in the northern mountains. Strong winds from the west, called western disturbances, cause light rainfall in the plains and snowfall in the northern mountains. The western disturbances are followed by very cold weather and fog. The major part of India remains dry during the season. The coast of Tamil Nadu, we can see the coast of Tamil Nadu is an exception. It gets heavy rainfall during this time, winter time. In the coast of Tamil Nadu, we can see the heavy rainfall. Winter is the season that we can get roasted groundnuts, apples, leafy vegetables. Now the next, summer season. Summer season begins from the beginning of the March and continues till the end of June in India. It gets very hot in May and June. We can feel in the May and June it gets very hot in India. The days are longer than the nights. In the winter, nights are longer than the days, but in the summer, days are longer than nights. Every part of India except the northern mountains experiences hot and dry weather at the time. Hot and dry winds called Lu, kind of the winds, it's very hot and dry, it's called Lu. blow over many parts of North India. In the summer season, dust storms are common. The southern part of India, which is surrounded by sea on the three sides, is less hot at that time. Summer is the season of mangoes. We can get mangoes are available in the summer seasons. Now next is monsoon. The monsoon season starts in India in June. In some parts it begins in July also. The season continues till the middle of November. Winds blow from the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal towards the land. They are called monsoon. Rainfall distribution is highly uneven. Parts of Meghalaya receives about 800 centimeters of annual rainfall, while some areas in Rajasthan receives less than 10 centimeters of rain in a year. Meghalaya receives 800 centimeters annually rainfall, while if you will compare with Rajasthan, only 10 centimeters of rain in a year. The coast of Tamil Nadu remains dry from June to September. The coast of Tamil Nadu, you can see, it remains dry from June to September. Here it rains between November and January. In the month of November and January, it starts rain in the coast of Tamil Nadu. Plums, peaches and cherries are available during this season. So this is all about the three main seasons in India: winter, summer